Hey there, ladies and gents. How would you like to make money in your sleep by just posting on your social media? Well, you've come to the right place. Become an affiliate with the Click Experts Academy. Simply go to academy.theclickexperts.com or the link in the description. Look to your top right and click the Login Register link. Once you're on the member login page, click on the Need an Account link at the bottom left corner of the member login page. This will take you to the Register with Us page. Please fill in your first name, last name, and email. Agree to the terms, then click the Click Here to Register button. You will then be taken to the member dashboard. Your temporary password will be sent to your email. Once you log into your member dashboard, you will be able to put in your details on how you would like to receive your payments. But for now, let's go to your affiliate program page.
Before we continue, just want to let you know that if you're interested in becoming a field technician, please go to the link in the description. There is a 7-day money-back guarantee for an online field technician course. Become your own boss with a technology and recession-proof trade.
Once on your affiliate program page, you can copy the link under the affiliate-specific page title, then watch the money roll in. You will be able to track your affiliate link's performance, earnings, traffic, and payment details from your affiliate program page. So what are you waiting for? Wake up! Register for the affiliate program with the Click Experts Academy, post your affiliate link on all your social media platforms, then go back to sleep again, and let us do all the work for you. It will be the best decision you ever made.
Thanks for watching. Also, thank you to all those who subscribe and donate. You make it possible for us to continue creating great videos for everyone. See you again soon!